socialization accomplishment for today. So today I'm going to Bagasbas Beach and I'm going to run from Daet to Bagasbas. So I only have a few days here sa Bicol, so I think this is the time na pumunta ulit ng Bagasbas since the last time pumunta ako doon is medyo matagal-tagal na rin. So today, this is the day one na magpa-practice ako na social skills ko since I'm always embarrassed every time I film in public. And yeah, I always think about what people think about me every time I hold this camera around them. So yeah, hindi ko pa ginagawa pero naiiya na ako. But still, today, my goal is to talk to a random person, random stranger. But actually before, my social skills is better than now kasi I worked as a clerk before 7-Eleven and I talk to strangers randomly before, but now since I quit that job, I always get embarrassed every time I speak to people. So yeah, I hope I hope I hope day one works. So this is day one of practicing my social skills, and actually I'll put this also as a part of my Project 50. So yeah, see you there sa Bagasbas Beach. Yo, so wala pa ako sa Bagasbas and dito pala ako sa sentro ng Daet. Actually, hindi pa ako nag-i-start pero kinakabahan ako, bro. Nahihiya ako sabihin ko, baka mag-choppy-choppy ako. So, yeah. So, di ko alam sasabihin ko, bro. Like, yeah, my goal is to, to practice my socialization today, but actually di pa ako nagsisimula, hinahaya na talaga ako buisit. Damn it, bro. So like hindi ko alam paano mag-i-start, di ko alam ano sabihin at ang gulo ng buhok ko, na-stress ako. How about don't know paano mag-i-start. How about kausapin ko na lang si kuya yun sa likod na statue. Sasabihin ko like, hey, you look cool, hey, you look pretty nice, hey. Bro, nakakaya men, di ko lang sasabihin ko talaga. Andito ako sa sentro ng Daet now to practice sana, kaso una kong practice sana is yung sa loob ng multi-cab, which is nagko-commute pa lang ako, and there are some kids na nag-compliment sa akin, like sinabihan nila ako ng boss yun, so medyo lumakas loob ko doon. Pero nung like tawag dito, nung patagal na ng patagal, nag-overthink na ako men, like hindi ko na alam sasabihin ko, so nahihiya na agad ako. So anong sasabihin ko, bro? So I'm here sa sentro ulit ng Daet, and yeah, there's a couple people here, and yun nga, my goal is to say hi to a random person. So hindi ko alam sasabihin ko, bro. Paano kaya to? Bro, ano na? What's up? So that is actually my first socialization here. So yun, naka 1-0 na tayo, bro. So yeah, we're going to watch random people here. Yeah, actually I have no idea what to say, what to do. So freaking hell. Siguro mag-hi na lang siguro ako. Yeah, to a random person. So naka 1-0 na tayo, bro. So what for? Actually, I'm so embarrassed right now, bro. So eto, meron ako idea, bro. So to talk to people, siguro magkatanong lang siguro ako ng random questions even though alam ko. Yeah. Even though alam ko, siguro magtatanong lang ako ng... Bro, natigiya talaga ako. Di, paano ako makakarating sa pupuntahan ko na to if I'm always embarrassed to something? Wait lang, hanapin na mag-good lighting cause... Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. So bro, kanina pa ako nakaupo here sa upuan dito and still thinking how can I socialize to people even though I have no idea, to be honest. And yeah, may route pa ako sa Bagasbas and actually kanina pa ako nandito nakaupo and I don't actually know how to socialize with other people, so I'm still here, but yeah, maybe later after makipag-socialize na isang person na lang. Pero yeah, still embarrassed, bro. I'm still embarrassed. But I can't say that word for now because yun nga, need ko talaga makipag-socialize. But the thing here is actually I'm here like with a random person here, pero nakipag-socialize pa rin ako in different environments. So this actually are pretty good and they actually staring at me right now. And to be honest, medyo na mabawasan ng konti yung hiya ako, pero yun nga. And to be honest, me personally, I was an introvert person, and doing this in public actually, how can I say this, make me even stupid because to be honest, it looks like I'm wasting my time here, pero yun nga, I'm actually practicing my socialization skill here. So yeah, it's actually very awkward when doing this random things, but actually people actually don't care. Like they pass through there, they pass through here, like sa harap ko, pero yun nga, they actually don't care, to be honest. Yeah, so why do I need to overthink that much if people actually don't care? Ang dami ko sinasabi pero di pa ako nagsisimula. And actually, since I've been here, one person pa lang yung nakakausap ko, and yun nga. So maybe I'll ask a random person how can I improve my socialization skill, even though yeah, what do you think? Mag-i-start na ba ako? Kasi nahiya talaga ako, men. How can I start this? Maybe to a random person, maybe mag-thumbs up na ako. Yeah, but still I can't even move my hand, to be honest. So yeah, hey. Yo, what's up? Bro, teach me. So yeah, maybe this is actually the chance. So I am Gab pala from Cavite. Wait lang, di naman makatanuhin, bro. Huwag kang mag-alala. Baka daw kainin ko. Bakit? So pwede ba mag-record? Okay lang ba?
Ito po.
Okay lang mag-record?
Ako po hindi pa.
Ay ate. Gab. I'm Gab. Ask ko lang. Kasi actually introvert person ako. So tanong ko lang. May idea ka ba paano i-improve yung socialization skill as a shy person na ganon? Tanong lang ate.
Kuya, siya na lang.
Ikaw na lang, bro. Sige, just a quick question, bro. Ano, alam mo ba socialization skill? So, may idea ka ba paano siya may improve? Like, for example, as an introvert person, ganun.
I-improve mo lang yung self-esteem mo, tapos syempre yung confidence dapat. Yun talaga yung yung key. Dapat confidence, taas mo confidence mo, dapat tingin mo sa sarili mo, dapat mataas.
Kinakabahan ka ba? Okay ka lang.
Hindi, okay.
Okay. Thank you, bro. So, yun kasi ang actually I'm filming kasi yun nga, as an introvert person, I'm converting myself. Hindi naman sa maging extrovert, pero yun nga, makipag-socialize, then yeah. So, that's it lang naman. Wala man akong gagawing masama sa inyo, to be honest. So, anong year? Yo, so on the way now to Bicol, sa Bagasbas, and yeah, and yun nga, I would like to share you this view because ganda, bro, tapos ang hangin pa, so it's actually a pretty good place to jog. Yeah. Actually, yung socialization kanina, it was pretty good conversation. And grabe, yung hiya ko nawala since I started to say hi and to shake hands to them. And actually, grupo sila, so nahihiya talaga ako pumasok doon sa grupo nila kasi what is this? Ganun. Like, there was like a random person na biglang lalapit sa'yo. Pero, yun nga, in the end, nag-switch, na-reverse yung situation, sila yung hiya sa akin. Lakas natin, bro. So, yeah. And yung technique na ginawa ko, instead of complimenting them, instead of saying hi, I first siguro introduce myself and then ask random questions about socialization. So, yeah. Nagkaroon pa tuloy ako ng short interview. And nahiya pa sila sa akin. Kala nila kakainin ko sila. Joke. Woo! Let's go! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yo, I'm finally here. Yo, so hindi ko alam if may ipag-socialize pa ako now or itigil ko na muna kasi ubos na rin yung storage ko, and yeah, konti lang din naman yung mga tao yun dito. So yeah, I think this is, yeah, mag-tour na lang siguro tayo dito sa Bagasbas Beach. And actually yung ginawa ko is actually an accomplishment for today, yung makipag-communicate sa, makipag-socialize sa ibang tao. And yun nga, this is Bagasbas Beach. Yeah, siguro muni-muni na lang din muna ako dito since gusto ko nagpahinga at malayo pa rin tatakbuhin ko pag uwi. And to be honest, socializing with other people is actually not easy, lalo na kung first timer ka or introvert ka. So yeah, kasi nahangin dito eh. And kaya yun lang masabi ko, socialization accomplishment for today. And di ka lang kung lulublob ako dito or hindi. Should I not? Should I? Uy. Konti lang din tao dito, no? Siyempre, hapon na rin kasi.
Well done.